Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with us one of the candlestick pattern which I do take any trade that I get to see in the market. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you guys how to make use of this my favorite candlestick pattern, which is the engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, so actually this will be like a series for those that want to be able to place a trade in the market, to be able to use this particular candlestick pattern that I'm about to show you guys today. Okay, so if why I'm going to be showing us this candlestick pattern is because this is like one of the reliable candlestick pattern in the market. Okay, so price tends to obey this candlestick pattern whenever it forms in the market. Okay, and so we'll be looking at the engulfing candlestick pattern. So whenever you see this candlestick pattern in the market, then you want to take notes of it, because price always respects this candlestick pattern. So it is called the engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, so I'm just going to explain what this candlestick pattern is all about, and then how to use it whenever we see this candlestick pattern on our chart. So when we talk about the engulfing candlestick pattern, it means that one of the candles definitely we have to cover the previous candle. Okay, so for example, when we see something like this here, okay, so this is like this particular red candlestick, okay, covering the whole of this particular candlestick here. Okay, so when we see that, we can say that this is like an engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, so it means that this particular red or bearish candle was able to cover this bullish candle. Okay, so what that means, that it means that sellers in the market are now in control. Okay, so whenever you see this candlestick pattern on your chart, guys, it therefore means that what, sellers are in control, especially when you see that happening on a higher time frame like the 4 hour. So you can see that the higher the time frame, the better, because it means that market has more momentum on that time frame and more weight on that time frame. Okay, so you just want to take this candlestick pattern to on a higher time frame. So when we see this particular candlestick like we see here now, like this red candlestick or this bearish candlestick, engulfing this particular candlestick, it means that at this particular moment in time, that sellers are the one in control of the market. Okay, so it therefore means that if sellers are in control of this market, it therefore means that there is a higher chance or a likely possibility for markets to keep on selling down. Okay, but that is not a guarantee. But the whole essence is just for us to be able to identify this candlestick pattern. Okay, so this particular one here is called like a bearish engulfing. Okay, so when you see the red candlestick covering the blue candlestick, okay, it is known as the bearish engulfing. Okay, so the same is true for like let us look for a bullish engulfing. Okay, so in this case here, we can see that okay, this is like a bullish engulfing here. You can see that this particular candlestick here, which is the blue candlestick here, which is the bullish candlestick, was able to cover this particular candlestick, which is our bearish candlestick. Okay, so you can see that this whole bullish candlestick must cover everything entirely. Okay, so this is like our bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, so this tells us that at the close of this 4 hour candle with this buy here on this 4 hour time frame, it tells us that buyers are in control of the market. So whatever you want to do is to position yourself alongside the buyers to be able to wait and enter for a buy on the open of the next candle. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead now to tell us how to make use of this candlestick pattern whenever we see it form on our charts. Okay, so that will be like an entry for us. So the way we want to make use of this candlestick pattern is to use it as a reversal signal. Okay, it means that if price have formed like in a bearish candlestick here, we want to make use of it like a reversal pattern that market is going to reverse. Okay, like in this case that we have here, we can see the market actually reverse. So the way to make use of it is to wait for it to happen somewhere around like a resistance area. Okay, so we are just going to see if this market, was able to, or this candlestick pattern was able to, form on a resistance. So the way we do it is to go back in time to see if there was like any resistance level. Okay guys, so we can see that there was like a resistance somewhere around here. Okay, although it didn't really get to the top of this particular, level. Okay, we can say that this was like a supply or an order block level that price goes to. Okay, so this is like, we can say that this is like an order block level that price got to tap into, the order block. So when price got, to this particular level here, we saw that this was the last buy candle here, and then price turned to close for a sell. Okay, so what that means is that is as though price is trying to respect this resistance level. So the way we want to take an entry using this candlestick pattern, guys, is to wait for the 4-hour candle to close, and then once price closes, then definitely we are going to enter the market at the open of the next candle, and then we are going to put our stop loss just above this level here, and then our take profit will be just below here. Okay, and we can see that price actually respected our candlestick pattern. Okay, so this is how we want to make use of the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. And then for that of the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, what we want to do, we can see that this pattern was able to form on this particular support level. Okay, so if I bring out my tool now and draw that, now we'll see that this particular um pattern was able to form on the support level here. Okay, so we can see that it actually formed at this particular support level. So the way we want to do is, after the close of this particular bullish candle here, then definitely we might want to put our stop loss here. Then we can put our entry here immediately the open of the next candle. Okay, but you can see the market actually retraced a little. Okay, but it didn't take us out, and then our take profit will be just somewhere here. Okay, so we can see that this is how our take profit was placed here, and you can see the market actually goes to our take profit level. So guys, this is how to make use of the engulfing, the bearish and the bullish engulfing. You want to make use of it at very important key levels like support and resistance, supply demand zone, order block zone. Okay, so guys, I believe you've been able to get something valuable from this candlestick pattern. Definitely you want to test out this candlestick pattern and look for them on your charts before you trade them, guys. So guys, definitely I will see us in our next trading video. So if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please kindly do so, so that you get access to more videos that will help you to take good trading decision. And if you've not yet liked this video, please kindly do so now, and do well to share this video so that other traders can get access to this video. Okay, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop useful video like this. And then I'll see us guys in my next trading video. So cheers guys, and stay profitable.